It's never too late or too early to start a design career. In this series, we will introduce you to 5 young designers, all coming from different backgrounds and countries, with one common goal: to advance their careers in the business of design. Welcome to the Young Guns.
Hi, my name is Arun Sharma. I'm from New Delhi, India, and I'm 23 years old.
Hi, my name is Fraye. I'm 17. I'm from Simi Valley, California.
My name is Sharif Komi. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Cairo, Egypt.
I'm Fowler. I'm 22 years old. I'm from the UK, a small town called Fareham on the south coast of England.
My name is Campbell. I'm from Williamstown, New Jersey, and I'm 18 years old.
Our participants will be guided by Chris Do as he coaches them through a series of sessions where he will learn about our participants and their problems, evaluate their work, and provide them with guidance to grow in their design careers. Check out their skills.
I currently do freelance design. I do branding and identity design. It's a little difficult to work as a designer in Egypt. The general sentiment towards designers is that they're just good at Photoshop. So I started positioning as more of a consultant.
I work full-time as a freelance designer, focusing on brand identities. I think what makes me unique as a designer is that I come from a non-traditional background. I have a very high attention to detail, and I'm determined to learn more all the time.
I've currently quit my job after being an in-house designer for 4 years, and now I'm building my own design business. I actually understand people. I have this intuition. I'm able to convert that into something that they actually want.
Currently, I'm in my senior year of high school, and I also work part-time at a trampoline park. I operate a lot based off logic and reason as opposed to intuition like a lot of creative people do.
Currently, I'm pursuing graphic design. But one thing I think that makes me unique is this idea of diversity and consistency. I try to cater the art style, but I also try to maintain some level of consistency so that work still feels like mine.
We'll learn why they want to become better designers.
You get to think really hard about how they're going to experience things.
It gives me the creative freedom to make something every single day.
I love seeing the impact it makes on my community.
There's this amazing feeling you get when people see your work.
It's a way for me to combine my logical and something more creative.
Failure is a part of learning. What does it mean to them?
I'm very familiar with failure.
It's not a bad thing.
It's kind of no big deal at this point.
I fail and I do the thing again and I learn.
You have to fail to fall forwards, to move forwards, to grow.
If I fail, it would mean that I can't keep my own word.
Parents play a big role in their careers.
They're both really strong supporters in, following your passions.
They are happy as long as I'm earning money.
There's always this pressure to pursue more traditional careers.
I think my dad kind of wishes I did something a little bit more technical.
My mom wanted me to be a doctor.
I kind of get the feeling that they were at first disappointed that I wasn't going to go into engineering.
My dad wanted me to be an engineer.
I've been very lucky to have parents who are very supportive.
They were always very supportive.
What they're most worried about is whether I'm happy and whether I have a roof over my head.
We'll also learn what they expect to gain from this mentorship with Chris.
How to streamline everything into a
Full professional workflow head to toe.
How to provide more value to my clients.
balance just everything in my life.
Be able to learn how to run a creative business and step inside the mind of Chris Do and
The way he can analyze what people say and then put that into design.
Stay tuned because the Young Guns are locked and loaded.